Hello, Roberta. Come in and sit down.
Thank you.
Now, I have your CV here. I can see that you are 17 and go to Teddington School and get good grades. However, what I'd like to know is, why do you want to work for us?
Well, I was hoping to earn some extra money during the holidays. So when I saw the ad in the newspaper for a part-time sales assistant, I applied straight away.
Do you think you have the qualities necessary for the position?
Yes, I do. I am hard-working, honest, and patient. I also have good communication skills. Also, because I really like the things I will sell, I think I will be good at it.
It's good to hear your enthusiasm. However, there are a number of other candidates. I will call you tomorrow and let you know our decision.
Thank you for your time. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.